common question we get here is how often should we change our air filter? Or how often should I change my air filter? We recommend inspecting it every time the vehicle's in for a service. When we do the oil changes, we'll inspect it. Generally, we replace air filters about once a year, depending on the dust in the environment. What the dirty air filter can cause is it can create hard start, it can cause you to use more fuel because you're not getting enough air into the engine, cause various runnability problems. But if we keep it clean and give you a fresh air filter, keeps your vehicle safely starting and safe to drive. So the next time your vehicle's in for an oil change or service at Kern's Complete Automotive Care, we will check your air filter for you and make sure that your vehicle is safe to get you down the road. This is Kern with Kern's Complete Automotive Care.